Here I have INTEX Aqua Trend, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then find and select here the settings. From the list of settings, you need to find and choose here the language and input. Let's tap language at the top of the list, and here we've got a few languages that you can use on this device. So in my case, let me switch my language from English to Spanish. So let's tap on Español right here. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version to the English one, let's choose Ajustes. Then here let's find and select Idioma in Traducción de Texto right here. Type Idioma again, and from the following list let me choose English. So that's it. Right now you can use the English version of your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.